Hello everyone, welcome to DCC YouTube channel. And today is day 2 of December lead coding challenge. So let's look into problem statement. You are given an array of strings, words, and a string chars. And they are saying that a string is good if it can be formed by characters from chars. And we need to return the sum of lengths of all good characters in words. So let's look into the example. The words is the array of strings given to us, and the main string chars is attached. Okay, so we need to return the sum of lengths of all good strings. So that means we need to check which of these strings are good strings. And if we got to know that they are good strings, then we can add up the length of that particular string to the answer. So let's iterate through strings. So first string is cat. So to check whether if it is good or not, a string is good if it can be formed by characters from chars. So the chars contains the uh, string attached, and cat is good because cat can be formed from string attached, because C is present in attach, A is present in attach, and T is also present in attach. So cat can be formed from attach. So let's similarly if we check for BT contains a character B, but attach doesn't contain that character B. So BT cannot be formed from attach. So therefore it is not a good string. And similarly hat is a good string because it can be formed from attach. And tree is not a good string because R is present in tree, but R is not present in attach. So it is not a good string. And ultimately we just need to return the sum of lengths, that is cat is good and hat is good. So we need to sum up their lengths, that is 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So yeah, the answer is 6. So the simple way of doing is that we maintain a map, that is like which stores the characters of the string and also the frequency, like how many times it is repeated in the string. And we while iterating through every string, we need to check if it is good or not. So for that also we need to make a map for this particular string and check whether it can be formed by this or not. So let's look into it. Yeah, so a first we make a map for this particular attach. So that is like A is repeated for 2 times, C is 1 3, T is for 1, and H is for 1. So we make a map data structure, that is we make it for attach, and then we also make another map for cat, that is CAT, and we iterate through every element in the map, that is C. C is present in this, yeah it is present, and A is also present in map, yeah A is present. T is also present in map, yes, T is present. But if we make it for tree, that is T is for repeated for 1 time, R for 1 time, and E for, when we are iterating through this map M1, we found that R is present in M1 but not in M. So obviously m of find of R gives, it returns the iterate m dot end of. So that is it. And in this example it is okay. So let's look into hello. So while checking to hello, the frequency of L in hello is 2, but the frequency of L in the main character char string is just 1. So obviously hello a word cannot be formed from this chars. So it is also necessary that the frequency of the particular character, it should be greater than the frequency in this character. So that is what we have checked. So the m1 of char, the frequency has to be greater than or equal to the frequency in the map m. So that's when our condition gets satisfied. So let's look into the code of it. Yeah. So in the code, first we make a map of chars for the characters of every string, and then we iterate through the array words, and uh, we make another map m1. And in this particular iteration through m1, we check whether that string is good or not. So first we need to make sure that element is present in that map, and we should also make sure that the frequency of p dot first is less than p dot second, and that's when we add the length to the answer. And on the whole, we return the answer, which stores the sum of lengths of all good strings in the given array. So that is about the code, and thank you.